Morning class, how are you today? That's great, good to hear. I'm good too, I'm great actually. First of all, sorry for bringing my backpack at school, but I needed to do that because I am going to go on a short trip after our class. What about you? What are you going to do this weekend? Yes, Ebru? Oh, you're going to meet with your friends. Excellent. What about you, Tim? What are you going to do this weekend? You are going to visit your grandparents. Okay. What about you, Malek? What are you going to do? You're going to study for your exam. Okay, but maybe you'll meet your friends. Yeah, if there is a time for it. I'm sure there you'll find the time. Okay, class. So today we are going to talk about the future. Okay. Take your notebooks, please. Take your notes. We are going to talk about the future tense. So there are two ways how we can talk about the future. The first one, use will. Okay. If we want to talk about the future, we need to use will. It's very easy, don't worry. I'm trying to explain you in the easiest way I can explain it. So let's start. Let's talk about tomorrow's dinner. Tomorrow I'm going to eat hamburgers, okay? And I say, I will eat hamburger. Yeah, yummy. What about my friend? What is she going to eat? Let's see. She's going to eat pasta. Okay, we say she will eat pasta. So, she is for girl, he is for boy. Don't forget this. What about my mother? What my mother is going to eat? Okay, she can eat salad. My mother is going to eat salad. I write, my mother is going to eat salad. What happened here? I said that we use will to talk about the future, and then I said I will eat hamburgers. Okay. Then I said she will eat pasta. But afterwards I said that my mother is going to eat salad using going to. So some grammar books say that will is stronger than going to. Other grammar book says that going to is stronger than will. What matters is we know where and when to use both of it. Okay? So now I'm going to explain this to you in the easiest way possible. Firstly, we use will to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking, right now. And we use going to express future plans decided before the moment of speaking. Okay? Yes? Okay. This is will. So this is the present, this is the past, and this is the future. If I do the decision right now, I use I will. Let me explain you in an easy way. I'm sitting home. I'm sitting at home. So there is my mother, my father, my brother, sister, cousins, friends. everyone's there, and the phone rings. And without thinking, I say, I'll get it. I will get the phone, okay? I'm not saying I'm going to get the phone, because it's a quick decision. So when we have a quick decision made at the moment of the speaking, we use will. And I say, I'll get it. And I get the phone and I talk, okay? Because if I say, I'm going to get it, seems like I need so much time to go to the phone and to get it, okay? Okay, so we use will. I repeat myself again. We use will to express future actions, something we will do in the closest future, maybe a little far future, but in the future. But the decision is decided at the moment of speaking. What about going to? Going to. It's a decision made before the moment of speaking. Okay, this is the moment of the speaking, this is the present, this is the past, and this is the future. We made this decision before, somewhere here, before the moment of the speaking. So to express some future plans, future intentions, actually going to is equal planning to. Okay, don't forget this. We have a plan. So I'm going to go on a trip after our class because I planned this trip days ago. So many days ago, I've planned. I took my ticket, I made my reservation, and I'm going to go on a trip after our class. Okay, it's very easy. Don't forget these two things. Okay, guys? Please take your notes. Yeah. Let me show you this as well. Okay, this is the future. And we have formal and informal events. Okay, don't forget this. For formal events, okay, when we are on some convention or a meeting, doesn't matter, we always use will. Okay, that's the rule. About informal, when we have a planned and unplanned time. Okay, how was? When do we use? What do we use when we have planned? We have used going to. We use going to. And what do we use when there is unplanned situation? Quick decision. We will use will. Yeah. That's great. Yeah. Please take this also as your note. Is everything clear? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to stop me and ask me anytime, please. Okay, great job, guys. Now, few more minutes. I want to talk about the grammar rules, and it's easy actually. Listen to me very carefully. So will, what about? We need to do positive, negative sentences or interrogative ones. We are going to talk about that right now. It's easy. With will, it's excellent, it's clean, it's perfect, okay? We don't need to change anything at all. So we use will. For example, I will work. You will work. He, she, it will work. Okay, we, you, they will work. We don't change anything. Don't forget this. What about the construction? What is construction? If we want to make it shorter, okay? Yes. If we want to make it shorter, we use this. I'll work, okay? You'll work, he'll work, she'll, it'll, will, you'll, they'll work, okay? That's great. What about negative? If you want to make a negative sentence, I will not work. But of course, when we are talking, we want to make the short sentence. We want to use constructions, and we say I won't work, you won't work, he won't work, she won't work. Yeah, of course. And question. How we will do a question. Will we work? Will I work? No, I won't. I'm going to go on a trip. Okay. Will we work? No, we won't. Yes, it's 19th of May. Yeah, it's a holiday. We won't work. Okay. Great job, guys. So here we have the subject, we have will, and we have the verb. Okay. Subject plus will plus verb. Yeah. Yes. Subject again, plus will, plus not, plus verb. Okay, great job. And how do we do the question? Ebru? Yes. Will plus the subject plus the verb. Great job. Great job. Take your notes. And now we will talk about I'm going to. Yes, about going to. Here, unfortunately, we need to change few things. It's not like will, but it's very easy to. So when we use going to, we are supposed to change the basic to be verb. The basic to be verb is I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Afterwards, we add going to and we add the verb. Okay, so I'm going to work tomorrow. He is going to work on Sunday. Why is he going to work on Sunday? It's Sunday. Yeah, but he must work on Sunday. There are plenty of work. Yeah. Okay. The negative. Sorry. The construction. Yes, the construction is I'm going to, you are, he, she, it, we, you, they are. Okay, going to. So this is the construction. The short version, and the negative. I am not going to work. You are not going to work. Okay, he is not going to work. Yes. And the construction of it, I'm not, stays the same. You aren't going to work. Okay, he or she or it isn't going to work. And the question, am I going to work? Okay. Are you going to work? Is he going to work? Okay. Yes. So, did you take your note here? Great job. So, now, last thing to tell you about this future time expressions. Okay, we have future time expressions and we know that we need to use future tense. Okay, so tomorrow, I'm going to work tomorrow. Next week, next month, next Sunday. Okay, next year, I'm going to go to Hawaii next year. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it's my editing, because yes, if I say I'm going to go to Hawaii next year, that means I have a plan, I planned it, and I'm going to go to the to this trip. In 10 minutes, in 2 days, in 2 weeks, yes, and soon, yes, I will go there soon. I will be there sooner. Yes. Okay, guys. Great job. So now, please, let's move on. I have 2 activities for you. Okay, the funny part. So we came to the funny part, and of course, the good one, because we are going to do activities connect with will and going to. Okay, now this activity name is actually what happens next. Okay, so I want all of you to choose one number. Okay, let's start with you, Tim. Give me one number and I'm going to show you the short version of it, and you need to guess what is going to happen next. Okay, which one? Number 2. Okay, I wondered number 2. Oh, football. You like football. So, what do you think? Is this footballer going to score this goal? Is he? Please tell me your sentence. He's going to score the goal. Okay, let's see. This is the full version. Oh no, he's not scoring that goal. Yeah? The goalkeeper, yeah, catch the ball. Yeah, great job, but great sentence. What about you, Ebru? Which number do you choose? Okay, number 4. Let's see the short version. Funny. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen here? The fish will slip from his hands. Okay, maybe. It's very big fish, actually. Let's see what will happen next. Yeah, what is happening here? The dolphin catches the fish. Yeah, okay. And what about you? Yes, Merve. I'm waiting your number. It's 7. Okay, 7. What is going to be number 7? Oh, again we have a dolphin. Okay, the girl wants to feed him. Okay, so what do you think? Is dolphin going to eat this fish? Yeah, it's very obvious he's going to. But let's see the full version of it. The seagull eats. The seagull. We have a seagull here. And the seagull eats the fish. Okay, poor dolphin. Okay, guys, great job. Now, I have one more activity for all of you. Please stand up and come here beside me. Actually, I am going to give you this bag, okay? And you will make a circle, all of you. And who has this bag will look inside and think of an object that could fit here. For example, a box could fit here. And I'm the one who have this bag, and I'm looking inside of it and I'm saying, what are you going to do with this bag, with this box? And I'm asking the person from my right, okay? The person who is on my right, and he or she needs to answer me. I'm going to give to my mother. There is a present inside of it. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, here is a bag. You can start, Tim. Okay. Why do you have kitten in your bag? Okay. What are you going to answer, Ebru? Oh, that's so nice of you, because you're going to give it to your lonely friend. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Why do you have an egg here? Okay. What are you going to answer, Merve? Because you're going to eat it after the lesson. Okay, it was a funny one. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. And for a homework, I want each of you to send me on my email a short text about what are you going to do this summer. Okay, using going to and will. Okay, thank you guys. See you next class. Take care of you. Bye bye.